taking a cross-disciplinary, a multidisciplinary, a transdisciplinary, and also an interdisciplinary approach to mental disorder, where I approach mental disorder from 10 key areas: philosophical analysis, psychological analysis, a physics analysis, a musical view. Is augmented, modified, or augmented. Emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar extremities between emotions. So you're looking at,
there's greens in there, as well as those beiges and the dark.
A 1 point perspective.
you have extreme polar extreme sort of philosophy.
There's greens in there, as well as those beiges and the dark.
Replicate what we see when we are standing somewhere that has a 1 point perspective, like a desert.
So you have the conscious mind, you have the subconscious, and you have the preconscious or universal unconsciousness. Now, this area below the conscious mind is where we get into areas like psychodynamics.